Welcome to English in 1 minute. In this video, you'll learn 20 simple and useful daily English questions and answers that are perfect for beginners. Practice these sentences every day to improve your speaking and boost your confidence. Let's get started. Question: What's your name? Answer: My name is Ali. Question: How are you? Answer: I'm fine, thank you. Question: Where are you from? Answer: I'm from Afghanistan. Question: How old are you? Answer: I'm 20 years old. Question: What do you do? Answer: I'm a student. Question: What time is it? Answer: It's 5 o'clock. Question: Are you busy? Answer: Yes, I'm a little busy. Question: Are you hungry? Answer: Yes, I'm very hungry. Question: Can I help you? Answer: Yes, please. Question: What's your favorite color? Answer: My favorite color is blue. Question: Do you speak English? Answer: Yes, a little. Question: What do you like to eat? Answer: I like rice and chicken. Question: Where do you live? Answer: I live in Lahore. Question: What is your hobby? Answer: I like reading books. Question: What's the day today? Answer: Today is Wednesday. Question: What's the weather like? Answer: It's sunny and hot. Question: Do you have a phone? Answer: Yes, I do. Question: Are you tired? Answer: No, I'm okay. Question: Can we talk? Answer: Sure, let's talk. Question: Do you like music? Answer: Yes, I love music. Great job. Keep practicing these sentences, and you'll speak English more fluently every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick English lessons. See you in the next video.